Power anywhere. Live your dream. Clayton Power creates innovative mobile power solutions which help our customers make their dreams come true and adapt to greener energy solutions at the same time. Through innovation and cutting-edge technology, we contribute to a cleaner planet. Our all-in-one LPS battery system enables clever energy consumption and contributes to reducing CO2 emissions. Replacing a traditional lead battery system and a fuel-based generator with modern LPS power supplies gives a smoother and more efficient solution. Plug and go. You've got the power.